So you're covering a lesson and you maybe want to add a noise activity, but you only have like 15 minutes to plan. Don't panic. You can build a high energy review game from scratch in under like 60 seconds using, I think it's Conmigo. Yes, I'm saying that correctly. Conmigo AI. So here I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so you just press Conmigo AI powered by Con Academy. You go here to sign up for teachers, and then I will show you where it takes. Okay, so after you've signed up, it will give you all these cool, amazing tools that you can use later in your lessons. But the one that we are looking at today is this a Blooket generator. So you're going to go and click that one. It will show you our Blooket generator, create a Blooket questions on various topics. You can press your or put in like your grade level, what type of subject. Maybe you can put your topic, photosynthesis, standard learning objectives. You can put that in there, what you want them to achieve by the end of this lesson. And also, how do you want to phrase your questions? Like in Jeopardy format, talk like a pirate. I don't know. I sometimes skip that if I have like 5 minutes before a lesson and I want to just add something, but you can put it in like you want. So now it's like going through its process and it's generating our questions. Okay, then you can go through it like where's the electron transport chain of the light reactions located in the cell. You can just go through it and quickly check it. And then you can decide you want to keep the question or you don't want to keep the question. You want to put it in. So you can then quickly go just through it and add it to your little slide desk. So here's all the questions that I now said I wanted in my Blooket activity. Let's keep it like that. You can just go and double check it, how many questions maybe you want, export to Blooket. Then it's going to redirect me to my Blooket page. Okay, then I have my Blooket page. Remember, you need to put save set. You can just quickly look at all your answers if it's like that, but you need to remember to save it. Otherwise, it's not going to show up in your my sets. Okay, you need to save. So now you can just go and click host and you have now a fun little activity that you created in maybe like under 5 minutes. So next time you're in a pinch, let AI do the heavy lifting. Follow for more teacher survival hacks.